Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this Drizzle Beauty 12-piece dip powder set, and this is a cute little instruction book that it came with. It also came with these files and this cute little nail brush, as well as this cuticle pusher. Alright, let's dive into these colors. This first color is called Beam. The second shade is Flicker. This is Dazzle and Flash. This next color is Extra and Gleam. This is Spark Rare and Glow. So pretty. This next shade is Flare and Shine. This is Wink. And last we have Lumi. I love this shade. Alright, so the color I chose is Gleam, and let's hop right into this review. So this kit retails for $22.99. You get 12 dip powders. My specific kit is all glitter dip powders. They also have a bunch of other collections on their website if you guys want to check those out. They don't have liquids, it's just dip powder, so keep that in mind. You will have to have other liquids on hand if you do want to purchase these. Other than that, I think this set is super cute. It's worth it to me. I think 12 dip powders for $22.99 is not bad, and you get some extras, so I think that's really cool. And the glitters were all really pretty, and this color right here was so easy to work with. I definitely think that these kits would be perfect for somebody who's just starting out, or maybe you want to add a couple neutrals to your collection or some sparkle to your collection like my kit. Like I said, they do have other collections on their website, and I was checking some of them out and they are so cute, so you guys should definitely go look at them if you want. I think they're really cute and they're super affordable. What do you guys think about the color that I picked? It is a color shifter, so in some of the lights it was purple, some lights it's blue, some lights it's green. It's really pretty. I honestly would have bought the whole kit just for this color. I do really want to see it chromed though. Like, I feel like it'd be so pretty chromed. I might have to try that in the future. What do you think? Alright guys, I'm going to let you watch for a little bit and then I'll come back and talk to you guys about the files. Alright, I am back. Okay, so we're gonna get into shaping. I really loved this file. I thought the grit was fantastic. It really did a good job of shaping my nails. I also just realized I didn't even use the other file, so I officially suck as a reviewer. But I ended up doing some swatches the other day and I used it and it worked amazing. It worked just like your buffer would, and I thought I did a really good job too. So both really good files. Also, I cut my nails, as you guys can tell, since the last time you saw me here. What do you guys think? Do you like my nails short or do you prefer them long? I kind of don't mind either way. I like them both. I always do forget though how much I love short nails. They're just so much easier to maintain and just control and all of that, and they're not as much work, so I'm definitely liking short nails right now. I might keep them around. Did anybody else do anything drastic to their nails over the holiday season? I feel like Christmas is just prone to nail breaking, you know? And just holidays in general. I broke my nail on Thanksgiving, and then I broke my nail again, like, you know, Christmas, because I'm opening boxes and stuff, and then, you know, you snag it on something random, and your whole nail's broken. So that's also kind of the reason why I have shorties. Anywho, it's getting really late, so I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I will come back and say bye. Enjoy! Alright, here is the finished look. I'm so obsessed, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!